Gang. Ay, marang tol, beautiful. Who's coming as Bisa Imatsu? Alam ba kayo na, like that, click what the heck, effect, alam ba kayo na, back and we're ready to click that subscribe button and like button. Hey guys, it's pala ba kayo na, back again with another video. Ayun pa naman ako, grabe. Like, I've been in a 3-day streak. 3-day streak na. Sobrang saya ko ngayon kasi meron talaga akong, ito seryoso talaga, meron talaga ako ngayon na parang na-feel na I'm really like fitting into this YouTube vibe. Kasi dati I've had like past YouTube careers, hindi naman gano'n. Pero like marami kong YouTube career, MM. Pero masaya talaga siya ngayon. What am I hearing? The voice is coming in. I hear the voice. Oh my gosh, I hear your voice. Intro. Go and show your part. Ayan na naman tayo sa dimension namin. Okay, pero medyo na-notice nyo ba na iniba ko naked? Okay, iniba ko na kasi baka naman ma-demonetize natin. Okay, so, bakit nga ba ako ngayon na uli nandito? Medyo may naamoy akong... Oh my gosh. We are gonna play this like infamous big game called Grow a Garden, and we are truly going to see why it is so famous. Okay, let's go! Back at it with a game! Gang. Ay, ba't ba? Okay, lalaruin na natin tong Grow a Garden. Ewan ko kung bakit like ang daming naglalaro nito every single day. So like, check na. 965k. Check lang natin kung ano yung hype all about this game. Gagawin ko! Okay. Here are the seeds that are in stock. Okay. May pera ako. Sige. Lagi. Try muna natin. Carrot seed. Oh my god. Ooh, they have a like big ass crazy attackers. Okay, let me go to my Grow a Garden ko. Okay, ayan. Tapos, ano yung gagawin natin? Di-destroy. Tapos, ano mangyayari dyan? Okay, lalaki siya. Ay, mabilis Okay, tapos pag nakulik ko yan, meron akong carrot. Okay, tapos isesell. Okay, gets. Eto, carrot. I want to sell this. Magkano ako dyan? Ay, marami! Atake ka rin na. Okay, sige, bili pa tayo. Bili tayo ng 2 carrot seed para atake ngayon. And then, mag-garden tayo. And then, lagay natin dyan. Ayun. Okay. So, habang nag-grow yun, check natin mga tao dito. Wow! Ito yung bugoy. Ay, pwede kong kunin. Ay, eme. Ay, bawal. Okay, kunin na natin. Kasi I feel like, ay, hindi po. Bagal Ay, ba't ka jigilit? Galang ibang pa kunin right now. Ganun pala siya. Kung ano-ano lang yung pwede mong maano. Okay, gets. I want to sell this. Girl, no, ibang pa kunin. Okay, sell natin yan. I want to sell this. Okay, go. Sell din natin to. Let me buy that strawberry. Strawberry, kain tayo niyan. Let me have a strawberry. Okay, go. Okay. So far, parang medyo boring lang siya. I mean, sakto lang. Cutesy naman siya. Pero I think pagka nag-grind nga ako dito sa mga sinasabi nila, mas mararamdaman ko yung vibes. Ay, pag ganyan ng kaliit yung makuha ko sa strawberry, I'm actually your ass. Okay, check natin yung iba kasi alam ka namang ay, ano to? Pwede kong makakuha. Oh, wow. Okay, ano to? Okay, tapos, I'm angry plant. Feed me the plants I want every day. Tapos, ay! Alam mo yung aso! Oh my god! How can I get one? Like, that's cute, too. Atake ka. Ay. Okay. Eto yung mga pet eggs. Ay, ang mahal. Ay, may bayan. Uy! May panda ako! Oh my gosh, don't even fuck with me! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you're such a cutie patootie. Like, let's take a picture. Okay, I wanna sell this. Okay, now. Girl! You literally did not give me a thing. You scamming ass bitch. Ganun siya. Ay, maganda. Okay. Masaya pala siya. Proceeds in 3, 2, 1. What? Oh, let's get these carrots right quick. Oh, wag kang umalis, Panda Bearski, ha? Let's sell these. I'ma sell my whole inventory. Whoa, 86. Okay, we're kind of like getting there. Lumalaki-laki na tayo. Oy, bili ta. Ay, medyo mahal ka nak ng very, very light up. Ayun, okay. Pero dapat pagandahin ko rin siya. Kasi ganun ata ginagawa ng iba. Maganda yung mga nababibe nila, etc. Okay. Sell lang tayo ng sell hanggang mag-succeed tayo.
Success ka!
I want to sell my inventory. Gora tayo. Okay, 46 cents. Kaya rin naman, right now, I'm just gonna like wait for some attacks to come through. Ay, marami kong carrots ha. Okay, sell natin yan. I think I'm pretty much getting the hang of this game. It's quite cute naman. Oh, okay. I'm gonna wait until I get like $400 million. Okay. Ano pa ba pwede natin gawin dito? I can't buy an egg. It's like, 50,000 cents. Pwede naman pala. Akala ko Robux lang pwede mong mabili. Pero like, ano ka pa aatake dito? Para siyang tycoon actually. I want to get to 401. So, maghihintay lang tayo ng maghihintay hanggat maging vicious na tayo. Vicious? Okay. Let's wait for some things. Ano magagawa ko sa'yo? Hindi mo ba ako mabibigyan ng anything that you give also to your mother and to your father? Ano mangyayari sa'yo? Ganyan ka lang? Okay, pick up kita para pa cutesy lang tayo. Ay! Girl! Ay, ano yan? Oh my god, ano yan? Oh my god! Thank you, dude! Ano yung magagawa ko dun? Uy! Oh my god, thank you! Ay! Thank you so much! Masasell ko, ganun? Oh my god. I want to sell this. Ano to? Whoa! Okay, not me becoming a literal millionaire right now. Okay. We're gonna buy this na. Oh my god! Wait, para pretty. Pretty lang. Oh my god, ang laki na niya agad. Holy! Okay, sell natin. Okay, sell natin inventory natin. Kasi why the heck not? Whoa! Not me in my rich area. Oh my god, wait. Bilan natin corn seed.
No battery, please charge.
Let's maglagay tayong corn seed. Okay, medyo pangit pa lang akong umatake ngayon pero papagandahin ko naman to soon. Medyo naiiyak ako ng very, very light. Okay, so 97 cents. Okay. Oh my god. Ang laki mo na, anak. Bili tayo ng tomato seed, blueberry seed. Paano ko ba siya ma-place ng maganda? Ayan. Para cute sila. Kasi yun sa kanila kagaganda ng mga atake. Like, nasty bottomless lang. Girl, I'ma sell everything, okay? Uy, ang gaganda. Girl, oh my goodness. Uy, ang ganda nito. Gusto ko yun. Girl, can you give me that? Penge, 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 penge. Girl, what the fuck do I do? Ganito lang ba yun? I mean, carry naman siya. Personally, I don't know. Gusto ko kasi mabilis na yung progress ko. Ang bagal-bagal Ay, ang bagal nila. What yung bilisan nyo? Let's sell. I mean, pardon. Garden of Batman. Nakuha po yung pasta. Dito. Excuse me. Nakuha niya ba? Na lang nakita yun Baka naubos na. Hala, sayang naman. Girl, I wanna sell everything. Ibibigay ko ba? Sige, sa'yo na lang. Ibigay ko para when we are coming to the end of the video, I give someone this special gift. Kasi marami rin siyang binigay sa akin. Oh, alika nga dito. Ibibigay na kita. Maging mabait ka, panda. Kahit na 5 minuto lang o 10 minuto lang tayo nagkakita. Namasaya ka na. Ito na, bibigay na kita kay Buboy. Naiiyak yan Okay na, huwag ka na magkanarte. Ibibigay na kita. Wala akong magagawa. Oy, okay na. Uy! Ayaw magpatuloy. Buboy. Ito na yung bibigay ko na sa'yo. Ay. Buboy, baka hindi ko pa mabigay sa'yo ito. Sayang na yung ko. Ayun. My verdict. Para sa akin ba lalaroin ko siya? No. Okay, so medyo nalipat tayo ng very light sa future kasi I'm kind of obsessed now. Okay, medyo like nababad na ako. You can judge with this new future of mine. Ano na? Gara. Okay, so dito sa part na to, my friends, basta nag-join ako ng friend ko and like, they gave me so many like foodies and smooglies. Kaya nakikita mo nga 9 million yung pera vility kung puro sa biragi ko. So, yun lang naman ang naging atake! And dito sa part na to, this is where my dumbass finally knew na meron palang equipment kung puro hus. Diba nakita nyo kanina parang, kaya palang bagal mag-grow. Hindi ko alam na pwede kang maglagay ng sprinklers or anything that you give also to your mother. So like, dito ko lang nalaman na ganda pala na. Wala na. Mayaman na ako. Tara! Okay, dito rin. Ay, nakabili na akong Petsis kasi nga sa mga friendies ko. I feel like a nepo friend. Ano na? So like, ganyan. Nakabili na akong pets kaya atake rin ka ako. Dito na talaga lumevel up ang buhay ko kasi tingnan mo naman. 300 million na. Grabe! Dito rin talaga sa friend ko, inaasar-asar ko na boring yung game. Pero me personally, nasama na ako sa curse. I am an avid
grow a garden gamer na wala na kayong magagawa. In this journey, panibagong day ata to. Grabe, lumalaki na ng lumalaki ang garden ko. And so is my heart for this game. Aram daw ka-arte mo, pero like, yeah. Seriously, this game is honestly a thumbs up too. Kahit na, okay, let's say, nabigyan ako maraming money. Pero I like, pag nag-grind ka talaga, you will actually enjoy this game. Yun lang naman, I think we should go back to our future. Do I understand the hype? Kinda. Kasi, syempre, kakastart ko pa lang naman. And like, I know like, game naman siya about like grinding, etc. like that. I think, para mas ma-enjoy ko siya, I need to have more time to play with it and like see kung paano ma-atake. Pero, honestly, I'm sorry if anyone would be mad or etc. This game is
Present
not for
Ray,
me.
napakatanga mo. As in, napakasaya ng game.
Controversial
Huwag kang spread ng false
pero
hindi. Controversial king ka, pero wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Yun lang.
Pero I think that's about it. I think you guys should still check out Grow a Garden for yourselves. I think it's quite a good game naman. Please like this video and subscribe kung gusto mo na rin naman. Share this to your family, friends, and mutuals, etc. like that. Share this to every platform that you know. That way you can say, this is my YouTuber. Going towards the end and goes sa outward scene. Wala pa kayo na wishes to make another scene. But this time, the portal out is coming in. So the outro is now transitioning with it. Tap on.